While the greater part of the digital forms of money concentrated on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, dealing with and exchange. There really were not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their regard for advanced promoting or video organizing that is picking up speed and the issues related therewith. Allow us for the most part to dissect the very current subtleties of Theta and comprehend the Theta cost expectation for what's in store. However, numerous monetary forms in a real sense have explicitly attacked the much sought-after digital money market. The most discussed and high-positioned is Theta in a significant manner. Prime supporter Steve Chen and his committed group of specialists, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who rejuvenated this Theta crypto token upheld him in an unobtrusive manner. Theta is a symbolic that drives Theta's decentralized video conveyance organization, fueled by clients and a creative new blockchain. Theta, in every practical sense, is an open-source convention reason work to control the decentralized streaming organization and considers truly vertical, especially decentralized applications to fundamentally be based on extremely top of the stage to empower esports, music, television, films, schooling, endeavor conferencing, distributed streaming, and the sky is the limit from there. To lay out plainly in the expressions of the prime supporter of YouTube, Mr. Steve Chen, I'm excited and happy to be a significant job player in the arising scene of video web-based, in spite of mainstream thinking. Since innovation has commonly begun being the predominant, consider the decentralized shared network, Theta will bridle its vast majority. With the outstanding development in the advanced promoting area, it is colossally pivotal that there is a balance accomplished among sponsors, distributors, and end clients, with the majority turning out to be increasingly more knowledgeable with long-range informal communication and video instruments related with. There basically is an expanding interest for promotion obstructing programming that by and large sudden spikes in demand for in excess of 600 million cell phones and PCs, with truckload of cash and time spent on watchers' very own information. It has commonly turned into a mammoth errand to synchronize the whole usefulness of systems administration and pruning the superfluous, which is very critical. The accompanying elements still need to be investigated on a worldview premise. Promoters generally pay tokens to distributors to really carry their promotions to clients. Clients most certainly procure Theta for survey advertisements. Consideration is observed in the daring program utilizing MLAI innovation. Pretty publicists get in every practical sense great returns because of expanded degrees of exactness. The value journey of Theta has been created with minor cost changes in an unobtrusive manner. Way back in 2018, it had quite recently begun its excursion with a cost around 20 cents, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020, or so they thought. Theta cost forecast genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, absolutely changing the pattern from the very outset towards the year's end. Theta has had a memorable excursion all through. All generally said and done, Theta's pattern for the most part has been very forceful, prompting an especially encouraging way, or so they essentially thought. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions, in light of 1 year of verifiable information. Theta cost cruised well all through the kind of last year, and presently it is on a vertical flood, or so they thought. In light of our figures, a drawn-out increment really is normal, which is very huge. The cost guess for 2026 is $20.56. With a 5-year venture, the income for the most part is supposed to be around plus 535.55% in light of a sensible calculation. Theta has pretty momentary meetings and possible long-haul benefits. The Theta cost may for the most part arrive at the objective of $5.72 toward the finish of 2022. Going by expectations that bulls might be back, Theta cost ought to wind up somewhat higher, generally say by 2024 $28.21, best case scenario. At the hour of composing this Theta cost expectation, the ongoing cost of Theta fundamentally is $3.29, and information demonstrates that the resource cost generally has been in an upturn for the beyond 1 year. The exchanging volume by and large has been $251,885,653.35 with a market cap of $3,297,019,627.23 alongside a coursing supply of 1 billion Theta. The cost gauge considers a few factors, extremely, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, comparative coins in an unpretentious way. Theta value forecast 2022, keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that Theta most certainly is ready for a rise sign even in the very 1 year from now, 2022, following the moving example against USD. Particularly the manner in which it truly is exchanging inside the bounds of an even triangle on the hourly outline. The Theta coin could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting $4.63. Theta value expectation 2023. Going by the fresh insight about more limited and longer value patterns of crypto conjecture, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for Theta coin for acceleration, particularly with rivals getting up to speed, the intensity, or the market reflecting gigantic unpredictability. In any case, toward the finish of 2023, Theta cost will contact $5.36, which is very critical. Long-haul digital money gauge Theta value expectation 2024, which generally is very huge. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance on the lookout and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It in a real sense is by and by expected that Theta will run the crypto coin realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $5.29, which generally shows Theta basically has maximum capacity going by the example to support as well as could reliably basically fill even in unfavorable circumstances. Theta value forecast 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. This year could check the benchmark year as the cost of the Theta coin in every practical sense is anticipated to outperform a normal of $7.30 definitely. This year, no urgent variables like pandemic or downturn basically are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, which is genuinely critical. It is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would be making progress toward fixed work in every world economy. And the crypto market. Theta value expectation 2026. It basically isn't not exactly extraordinary information. What started with costs of $2 explicitly finished with an increase of $8 and right now exchanging around $3.29, which is genuinely critical. Subsequently, it has commonly supported the market opinion peculiarity to trade definitely. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on the for the most part long-haul cost of Theta following this token intently for a speculation, which is genuinely huge. Theta, future value expectation 2026 and then some. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the kind of long haul instead of the present moment, as opposed to mainstream thinking. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the explicitly trusts commonly high on the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of Theta would develop dramatically. By when Theta would be not anymore a gullible contestant in the realm of digital forms of money, however a carefully prepared player in a significant manner. Is Theta a sort of wise venture? A reasonable level of investment is consistently fitting, being an especially key component here. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required in the event that you purchase or in a real sense sell mindfully, facing a calculative challenge. Is Theta a trick or genuine? Regardless of all discussions and contentions, Theta uncovers an extremely solid and dynamic environment, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Thus, it certainly is a genuine stage. At this moment, you can purchase Theta at major crypto trades, including Binance, or so they sort of thought. When you have especially your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange Theta, you should move your Bitcoin or ETH cash from Coinbase to that particular trade, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This is done through a wallet framework. For what reason is Theta ascending in a significant manner? The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers have basically rested in the resource. Simultaneously, it truly is a for the